If you saw the video on the HP Omen X2S gaming laptop, cool laptop, 2 screens, everybody said 5-inch, 6-inch panel, not enough. I need more second screen on my gaming laptop. Guess what?
Yeah, what's up?
This. ASUS's new ZenBook Pro Duo. Bam.
Wow, that
You
is
want
a full
more?
screen.
Yes, you want more screen on your laptop? The ZenBook Duo has it. The top screen, 15.6-inch 4K touch panel. Got it? Everything you know, 4K, all that stuff. The bottom is a full width 4K panel. It is a 3840, so technically 4K-ish, and I believe 1100 pixels tall rather than the full 2160 that you would get on a standard UHD 4K panel, but also touch enabled. So you get touch up here, you get touch down here.
Also, the great thing is that it's not going to scale weird between the 2 screens. Ah, look at that.
So you don't get the scaling issues.
No scaling issues. That's great.
Drag down here, gets smaller, but you can do this.
That's awesome.
Isn't that? You get all this real estate down here. You get this up here.
Since we have the task manager up, why don't we talk about what's inside?
Yeah, let's click on over. Because what can you get in a dual screen laptop? 15.6-inch screen. Core i9 9980HK. That is the unlocked 8-core 9th gen Intel part. Coffee Lake refresh. You get RTX 2060. You get your full physical keyboard. You get your side-mounted trackpad. It's pretty usable. And look at this, Thunderbolt, analog, Type A, USB Type A. Let's go to the other side because people like to see this stuff. Another Type A, full HDMI, and of course barrel charger because you need a lot of power to run this thing. The battery in here, if you're wondering, is 70 watt hours, and it does not have G-Sync. Cool thing about that is you get better battery life.
Also, there's a nice gap when it's open. Looks like when you open the screen, why don't you fold it closed?
All right, we're gonna fold it.
So when you open it up, it kicks up, and boom, nice. That's good.
Yeah. Very nice. Of course, that helps. This lets you get your air in here. Looks like there's 2 very fine mesh grills, probably for your intake. I think the exhausts are at the side. It's on the right side. A couple other things I didn't mention. This is a beautiful 4K OLED screen. So it's OLED, so DCI P3 100%. Look at that. Look at all that real estate you're getting. I love the concept with HP. They also do have the thing where they have the software that lets you zoom in and pin it to that second screen. But to have more real estate is very nice. 8-core Intel part, RTX 2060, 70 watt hour battery, OLED panel. I don't know what else you can ask for. This is going to be a great gaming laptop, and it's going to be a great creativity laptop too.